Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the VMFX trading system. All right, so as the name implies, it's a trading system. Okay, so it comprises of several indicators. Now we are going to start by adding the indicators to the chart. All right, so let us just add these indicators to VMFX Dash, the VMFX Entry 1, the VMFX Entry 2, VMFX Entry 3, the VMFX Pairs, and the VMFX Trend. Okay, so we're going to be working with these indicators. All right, so as you can see, this this trading system is quite a comprehensive one. You can see that the VMFX pairs enable us to switch across different currency pairs. All right, it makes it easy to switch across different currency pairs. And then you can see that our VMFX trend helps us to identify the current trend in the market. All right, across whatever currency pair that you want to analyze. You will notice that whatever time frame you go to, the VMFX trend is just going to tell you what the current trend is for that time frame. You can see that if the bars are red, for the VMFX trend, you will notice that is a bearish trend. But if the bars are blue, you will notice that is a bullish trend, right? So now we also have our VMFX, the other VMFX indicators. We have our VMFX Entry 1, Entry 2, Entry 3. We also have our VMFX Dash. So you can see that all these indicators, they work together to help us identify the current trend in the market, also letting us know which momentum is prevailing at a time. And you can also see this particular aspect of the indicator that serves as, dynamic support and resistance levels. Okay, this should be the VMFX entry, right? So you can see we have the VMFX Entry 1, VMFX Entry 2, and VMFX Entry 3, right? So these ones, they serve as dynamic support and resistance levels, and then they are also used to identify potential entry points. All right, so you would also see that the indicator helps identify the current price of the asset as well. You can see up here, you can see some valuable information being displayed here. So this system, this trading system, comprises of several features to help inform the trader on trend direction, prevailing momentum in the market, potential entry and exit points as well. All right, so you would also see that this blue area being painted on the chart was to also help the trader identify the prevailing momentum in the market and potentially ride that bullish move for the blue color, right? And then when the orange color appears, in the chart, a particular area showing that that is a potential sell move. All right, so a trader who is looking for a comprehensive trading system to help inform on trend direction, momentum and potential entry and exit points, the VMFX trading system might be a valuable tool. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.